There's a lot to be said about living in a rural community. Not only does its fresh air and open spaces allow you and your family to lead an outdoor lifestyle, it provides you the necessary space in order to relax and decompress after a long day of serving your community. And then there's a benefit of getting into this new home with no money down. The USDA Home Loan helps individuals in rural and suburban areas become homeowners through its no down payment requirement. And in this video, we're going to break down the USDA Home Loan, all its benefits, including its no down payment requirement. So let's get started, because that relaxing lifestyle in the country, well, it's only waiting on you. The USDA Home Loan is issued by qualified lenders and backed by the United States government. Its purpose, to stimulate homeownership among median income households in rural and suburban areas. The United States Department of Agriculture jam-packed this home loan with benefits in order to help these individuals become homeowners. However, it also puts several property and income restrictions in place in order to protect these benefits for its intended homebuyers. So let's go over these requirements real quick before we jump into all the benefits that the USDA Home Loan has to offer. Because the purpose of the USDA Home Loan is to help median income households become homeowners, the USDA requires that the homebuyer's household income be no more than 115% of the median household income for the area that they're looking to purchase a home.
Hey, what? What did you just say?
Come on, man. All right, so let me try to simplify what he just tried to explain. So for each area that is eligible for the USDA Home Loan, there is an average household income. The United States Department of Agriculture just wants to make sure that the homebuyer's household income is not too much more than the average household income in that area. But to simplify this even further, we provide a link in the information section below this video where you can find the USDA's income requirements in the area that you're interested in purchasing a home. There are also a few requirements that your property must meet in order to be eligible for the USDA Home Loan. The first, you must purchase a home within an area that is defined as USDA Home Loan eligible. The United States Department of Agriculture defines these areas as rural or suburban areas with a population limit of approximately 35,000. Now, this may sound extremely restrictive. However, 97% of the United States territory is land that qualifies for the USDA Home Loan. So if you're currently serving our communities within a major metropolitan area and the commute from a rural or suburban area is feasible, you may still be interested in taking advantage of the money-saving benefits of the USDA Home Loan. The other requirements that your property must meet in order to be eligible for the USDA Home Loan is it must be the home buyer's primary residence, it must have access to a road, and it must have access to basic utilities including water and waste disposal. Now, the USDA Home Loan is not strictly all about its requirements. It also has many home buyer benefits, and its most popular is a no down payment requirement. The no down payment requirement is just as it sounds. When you qualify for the USDA Home Loan, you will not be required to put money down on your home loan. That's a huge benefit when you compare it to an FHA or a conventional home loan, which require at least a 3% down payment. On a $200,000 home loan, you'll be required to come up with at least a $6,000 down payment with a conventional home loan. And with an FHA home loan, you'll be required to come up with at least a $7,000 down payment. However, with the USDA home loan, you won't be required to pay even a dime for a down payment. That's money that you can put back into your saving, use towards your children's college fund, or that's money that you can use to furnish your new home with. The USDA Home Loan also has one of the least restrictive credit requirements. Individuals with a credit score of 500 or greater are eligible to qualify for the USDA Home Loan. However, keep in mind, the higher your credit score is, the more likely you are to receive a lower interest rate, which will help reduce your monthly mortgage payments. This actually leads into another benefit. Mortgage lenders are able to offer a more competitive interest rate with the USDA Home Loan because it is backed and insured by the United States government. Market conditions and your credit score will continue to play a factor in the interest rate that you receive. However, a more competitive interest rate will always play in your favor as it will help reduce your monthly mortgage payments. One of the biggest money-saving benefits to the USDA Home Loan is its mortgage insurance rates. In comparison to an FHA home loan, you can save thousands of dollars on mortgage insurance fees with the USDA Home Loan. Now, when you purchase a home, unless you put a 20% down payment on your home loan, most home loan programs will require you to pay mortgage insurance, which includes an upfront funding fee as well as an annual mortgage insurance premium fee. The upfront funding fee rate on a USDA home loan is 1% in comparison to 1.75% on an FHA home loan. The annual mortgage insurance premium rate on a USDA home loan is 0.35% in comparison to 0.85% on an FHA home loan. So let's put this into the context of dollar amount savings on a $200,000 home loan. In comparison to an FHA home loan, a USDA home loan will save you $1,500 in upfront funding fees, as well as $81 per month in annual mortgage insurance premium fees. Over the life of a 30-year loan, that's $30,000 in savings. You can add your Hero Rewards on top of all the money-saving benefits to the USDA home loan when you purchase your home through Homes for Heroes. Our Homes for Heroes mortgage specialists specialize in working with the USDA home loan, and they provide significant savings on their lending fees to first responders like you. In addition, you'll receive a check for 0.7% of the home purchase price after closing when you use a Homes for Heroes real estate specialist to purchase your home. That's how first responders like you save an average of $2,400 when buying a home through Homes for Heroes. To get started, sign up through the link in the information section below this video. We'll connect you to our local Homes for Heroes real estate and mortgage specialists in your area. They'll answer your questions, make sure that the USDA home loan is the right home loan for you, and put you on the path to home ownership along with significant savings from Homes for Heroes.